here, all of you? So children, coming to relations lesson. Children, we have completed in sets. So what are the topics we have completed in sets? We have studied various topics like union we studied, intersection we studied, a minus b, b minus a we studied complement, we studied subsets, power sets. So many things we have studied in sets lesson. Now children, now we are going to study relations. In relations, what we will do is children, we will learn about a new topic called cross children. A cross B, B cross A, P cross Q, Q cross A. We will study about the new topic called cross. Very easy children. I will not extend the topic much. So I am starting with 2.1 exercise of relations lesson from your NCERT book children. First question. G is equal to 7 comma 8. There are two elements in G. And H is equal to
Alvin
5 comma.
study.
Are you people crazy children? H is equal to 5 comma 4 comma 2. Three elements are there children. Now we have to find out G cross H. This is the question. G cross H. G cross H means nothing children. No need to worry about G. Please mute your audios. Children, G cross H means G is what children? 7 and 8. H is what children? 5, 4, 2. Okay. G cross H means 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. See children? 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Next.
58482.
Please mute your audios, children. Please mute your audios. Next, 85, 84, 82. Next is 85, 84, 82. This is the children. So here two elements are there, here three elements are there, 2 3s are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have got 6 ordered pairs. We have got 6 ordered pairs. We'll call them as ordered pairs. In all of them, the first elements are called domains. Children, the first elements are called domains and second elements are called range. Second elements are called range. First elements are called domains. Second is called range. Okay, children, this is G cross H. They will term it as. Now in this only, they are asking you to find H cross G. H cross G. Okay, when they ask H cross G, children, 5 7, 5 8, 4 7,
4 8
4 8, 2
2
7,
7 2 8
2 8.
2 8. That's all, children. See, that's all. This is called cross. Very easy, children. Okay, you have already studied about union, intersection, minus, complement, all those things we have studied. No, in all these ordered pairs, remember the first elements are called domains. Second elements are called range. Okay, and these are called ordered pairs. How many ordered pairs we got? 6 ordered pairs. Why? Here 2 elements are there, here 3 elements are there. 2 3s are 6 elements. Totally, we have got 6 ordered pairs. Okay, children? Second question, like that only. We are going to do, children, please see here. Second question. State whether the given statements are true or false. If statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. First question, children. What they gave? Say they gave us P is equal to Mn. They gave children. They gave, and Q is equal to Nm. They gave children. Q is equal to Nm. They give. Then they are saying P into Q is. They only gave an answer, children. What they gave means they gave Mn and Nm. They gave. Okay, children. They gave P is equal to Mn and other one is Nm. That's all they gave, children. Is it true or false?
True.
Children, what is the answer? False, children. Okay, what is the answer? False. What is actual P cross Q, children? P cross Q means first you should write Mn, then Mm. Next Nn and then Nm. Okay, here 2 elements are there, 2 elements are there. 2 into 2, 4 ordered pairs you have to get. They have given only 2 ordered pairs. How it is true, children? It is wrong. False.
Same we can write, sir.
What? Yes, you have to write. No problem. Yes, we can write Nn. You can write. You can write now.
Okay.
Why not? You have to write whatever they give. You have to write. This is different. This is different. You can't say that they are same. I won't write nothing like that now. Okay, this is second. In this only, children, two more bits they have given. Two more bits. This is first bit. In this only, true or false. Second bit they are given. Please see, children. B question they give. A and B are non-empty sets. A and B are, children, A and B are non-empty sets, means some elements are there. A and B are non-empty sets, means some elements are there. Then he is saying A into B will be non-empty set. A into B will be non-empty set. I mean, is it correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, it is true. Okay, children, this is also having some elements, this is also having some elements, then definitely A cross B also will be having some elements. Non-empty set means some elements are there, some ordered pairs are there. So it is true, children. Third one, he is saying A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. Then he is asking, children, A cross B intersection null set is equal to null set. This is he is asking. Let's check, children. First check. What is B, children? 3, 4. Intersection null set. Okay, children, 3, 4 intersection null set is what? Anyone?
Null set.
Null set. Okay, so now A cross null set is what, children? A cross null set is null set.
Null set.
Null set. So the given statement is true or false?
True.
True.
True. That's it. Children, with A cross null set, but you have in A 100 elements also, but in B you don't have any elements. What you will write? You will not get anything. So it is a null set. Are you able to understand? How many elements are there in A also? Here this is a null set. So A cross null set is null set only. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0 only. Like that, children. This is second question in your first exercise. 2.1 exercise I am doing, children. Now going to third question. Children, in third question, what they are giving means, 1 second. A is equal to minus 1, 1 they gave. Then he's asking, what is the value of A cross A cross A? This is the question. Okay, first you do this A cross A, children. 1, oh, I'm sorry. 1, 1 second, children. Question is, this is minus 1. Cross minus 1 into 1. What is the answer, children? What is the answer for this?
Minus 1.
Minus 1,
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus 1,
Minus 1. 1.
Minus 1, 1.
1
1
minus
minus 1.
1 minus 1.
1, 1.
1, 1. This is A cross A. Now with this A cross A, again cross A, children. Again cross A means with this you cross again minus 1, 1, children. Okay. Now tell me the pace. First one. This with this.
Minus 1 minus 1
minus
minus 1.
Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. This with this.
Minus 1 minus 1 1.
1. This with this.
Minus 1 1 minus 1 1. Sorry, sir.
This with this I'm saying.
Minus 1 1 minus 1.
This with this.
Minus 1 1 1.
Very good. This with this. Only this.
1 comma minus 1.
1,
minus 1.
minus 1. This with only this.
1 minus 1 1.
Now this with only this.
1 1 minus 1.
Now this with only this.
Triple 1.
This is the answer. So children, first I carried out A cross A. I got these answers. Then that all things I crossed this with this, 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 this with this. This is A cross A, children. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. So next one. So this is third question, children. We have completed. Now coming to the fourth question. Very easy, children. Crossing. First exercise is very, very easy. All crossings only will get. So, fourth question. If A cross B is equal to, he's saying A comma X A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. Okay, children. Question is find A and B. That's all. What is A? Anyone?
A comma
A
B.
comma B.
Very good. Only A comma B. A comma B. What is B? Anyone?
X
X1.
comma Y.
X comma Y. X comma Y. That's all. That's all, children. You understood, I think. Okay. Very good. Next question, children. Fifth question. Children, A is equal to 1 comma 2. B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. C is equal to 5 comma 6. And D is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. First question we will do, children. First is asking what is the value of A cross B intersection C? Okay, children, what is A, children? 1 comma
1.
2. What is B intersection C? Common elements, common
Null.
elements.
Null set.
Nothing is there common, so null set. So anything into null set is
Null set.
Null set.
over. Next one, A cross B intersection A cross C. He is asking. Can anyone tell what is A cross B, children? A cross B. Directly answers.
1 1 1
1
2
1 2 1
1
3
2 1 3
1 4
1 4 2
2
1
2 2
2 2
2
2
3
3
2 4
2 4 intersection A cross C. A cross C, children.
1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6.
2 5 2 6. Now in this both, children, in this and in this, any common elements are there, children?
No.
Anything? Anything is common, children?
No.
No, sir.
Nothing is common. So what is answer?
Null set.
Null set.
Null set. So now, children, they have asked. So children, now next what one they ask? They are asking, children. Now they are asking find A cross C. Children, I'm doing here, children. Next third question, they are asking A cross C. Can anyone tell A cross C?
1 5
Oh,
1
we
6
know already. 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. This is A cross C. He's saying find B cross D, children. B cross D.
1
Cross
5
D. 1 5,
1 6
1
1
6,
7
1 7, 1 8. Next,
2
5
5 2
2
6
6
2
2
7
7 2 8.
next.
3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8
3 6, 3 7, 3 8. Next.
4
4
5 4 6 4 7 4 8.
4 6 4 7 4 8. He is saying is A cross C is subset of B cross D. Subset means
Yes.
all the elements of this are present in this 1 5 1 6
Yes.
2 5 2 6 1 5 1 6 2 5 6. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes.
true. What is subset? All the elements of this are present in this means it is called subset. Yes. Is that statement true or false? Is asking. Yes. A cross C is the subset of B cross D because all the elements which are there in A cross C are also there in B cross D. So A cross C is the subset of B cross D. This is your fourth question. Next, fifth question. Oh, fifth also over, no? Sixth question. So children, sixth question we are going. Okay, sixth question we are doing now. So children, A is equal to 1 comma 2 they gave. A is equal to 1 comma 2. Next, B is equal to 3 comma 4 they gave. 3 comma 4 is asking what is A cross B? First question. How many subsets will have A cross B? How many subsets? Okay, children, first let me tell what is A cross B, children, first of all.
1 3 1 4
1 3 1
2
4
3 2 2 2 3 2
3 2 4. This is A cross B. Okay, children. So how many elements are there in A cross B, children? How many elements are there? How many ordered pairs are there?
4.
4.
4 ordered pairs are there. So we know children that if C is a set with n number of C is equal to m, then P intersection C is equal to 2 to the power of m. Therefore children, the set A into B will have 16 subsets children. Everything is a subset only. Everything. Children, how many pairs are there? 4, no? So 2 to the power of 4, 16 subset. You may ask how, sir? 1 comma 3 is a subset of all these things. 1 comma 4 is subset of all these things. 2 comma 3 is subset. 2 comma 4 is 2. These both are subset. 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 Like that. Different arrangements. If you keep on doing children, you can write all the different subsets. You will be getting total 16 subsets children. How many elements are there? 2 to the power of n is the formula. That many subsets will be there. How to find the number of subsets formula? 2 to the power of n. Elements are 4 are there. 2 to the power of 4 is 16 subsets. So what are the different subsets? I told you, no children. These 3 will form one subset. This 3 will form one subset. This 3 will form one subset. This 3 will form subset. All are subsets children. Okay, so if you keep on writing, you'll get total 16 subsets will get. 16 subsets. Next 7th question. He is saying number of elements present in A is equal to 3. Number of elements present in B is equal to 2. 2 elements are present. Okay, and he is saying if x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B. They are saying A cross B. A cross B all have these all elements are in A cross B. Find A and B. Where are X, Y, Z are distinct elements. Find A and B is saying children. Find A and B. A cross B he is saying. Yes children, can anyone see what is A cross B? So what is A children? A is all. We know A is set of all first elements of the ordered pairs A cross B. Okay, so what is A children? What is A?
X, Y, Z.
What is A? A have what children? A have all the first elements.
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z. Okay. Now what is B? What is B children?
1, 2.
1 comma
1,
2.
2.
He did 1 comma 2. That's all. 1 comma 2 children.
1, 2.
He did not write all the things children. He said these are also present. He did not say this is only final. Okay, so he gave. So by seeing this, we came to know that children, number of elements present in A is equal to 3. He said number of elements B is equal to 2 only. He said no. So 2 means 1 and 2 only. That's all. He only said 3 means X, Y, Z only. He only said children. It will. They are distinct elements. He also said. Okay, this is 7th sum children. Now coming to 8th question. Please check children.
Sir, he asked A into B.
A into B consists of these elements I am saying now. A cross B has these elements. Or not all, some of them.
Oh,
Okay, now next question children. The Cartesian product A into A, children, A into A has 9 elements. He only saying children. He is saying 9 elements are there. Okay, among which some which are found, some are found as -1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. He is asking find the set A and remaining elements of A cross A. First is asking find set A. After finding set A, the remaining elements of A cross A, like that children. So A cross A has 9 elements children. So 9 elements, if you have to mince, so children, we know that n of A is equal to P, n of B is equal to Q, then n of B into B is equal to P into Q. So children, total 9 elements, they said no children. So 9 elements, only one thing is possible, 9 into 1, 1 into 9, except that if you take children, see here, normal formula, n of A is equal to into n of A is equal to, we got 9 elements. So indirectly, n square is equal to 9, n is equal to 3 children. Because this into this only 9 we got no children. Don't say 1 into 9. It's not possible. 3 into 3 only means 9 possible. Are you able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
This into this, here 3 should be there, here 3 should be there, then only 9 is possible. Then only 9 is possible. So the ordered pairs already what he gave, children, what he gave, minus 1 comma 0 he gave, 0 comma 1 he gave, children, are the two ordered, two of the 9 elements. Okay, any two of the 9 elements, children, any two of the 9 elements. Okay, so what can be the 3 elements possible? Any 3 he gave. So what are the 3 elements possible? It can be either minus 1 or 0 or 1. That's all. See, children, all 3 elements you are able to see here only. Are you getting the idea, children? Are you getting the idea? Children, are you getting
Yes,
the
sir.
idea?
Yes,
3
yes.
elements are only there, children. In A, 3 elements are only there. More than 3 not possible. In the 3 elements, we can able to see in 3 different numbers. So one can be minus 1, other can be 0, and other can be 1. And now write the remaining all elements he is asking. So you have to do minus 1, 0, 1, and you write down all the order pairs. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Write all the order pairs, children. Anyone have any doubt in this? You can ask me, children. If you have doubt, no one you ask. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me, because two of the ordered pairs he only gave, children. From the two ordered pairs, I can see 3 different types of elements that are only possible. More than that, nothing is possible, children. 9th sum. Children, A is equal to, yeah, 2.1 exercise we are doing. No, children, yeah, 2.1 exercise is over, children. That's all. So tomorrow I will do 2.2 exercise, children. So if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me, and all these questions will be there in the description of this video. In case you have doubts, you can check it, children. Thank you so much. 2.1 exercise is over in relations. Tomorrow we'll do 2.2 exercise, children. 4 or 5 exercises are there. By that we can complete relations. After that, we can jump into trigonometry directly.